is going on today, guys? My name's Alex. Welcome back to the channel. As you know, if you've been following the channel, I just put a muffler delete pipe on my Ram 1500. It sounds freaking awesome. I made a video probably about a year ago talking about the muffler delete pipe option on this truck because I had it on my truck probably 2 years ago. And basically that video went into explain how you're going to potentially lose some lower end power. Long story short, basically what's going to happen is your cylinder scavenging without that back pressure could potentially be reduced, therefore kind of reducing that low end grunt power in this HEMI. Flip side of that though is there could be some potential high end gains, and that's what we're here to talk about today. So I have a couple pole clips of me going 80 kilometers an hour to 120 kilometers an hour with and without the muffler, and I'll show you guys those clips in a second here at real speed and then slow down, and we're going to compare how fast the speedometer goes up, and I think you guys will tell there is a difference. Now, fair warning before I show you guys these clips, they were shot at the same spot in the road. The conditions should be pretty much the same, and I'll let you guys be the judge of what happens. All right, so there you go. I think it's pretty obvious that the clips show with the muffler delete pipe on this truck, there's a little bit more top end power, which is kind of what we thought would happen. Now, obviously I tried to make it as fair as possible, and I tried to line up the clips pretty much perfectly. But it's not going to be 100% perfect, but I think it is still pretty clear that with the muffler delete pipe, this truck right here is a little bit faster, which is cool to see. So for 115 bucks, this thing gets a little bit faster and it sounds awesome. So I think that is a win-win situation. Now, I would have loved to have made kind of a lower end power test with the muffler on and the muffler delete pipe on as well. However, I sold my trailer like 6 months ago, and to really kind of test the low end grunt of this engine, you would probably need a load on the truck. At least that's what I'm theorizing. And I don't have a trailer anymore because I would have loved to have done a low end power test with a trailer and kind of made up a little test there to see if you actually do lose some of that low end power. Now, when I made that video about a year ago, I stressed that a pickup truck losing low-end power is probably more important than a pickup truck gaining high-end power. And I still stick with that because these things are not race trucks. They're not really built for speed. They're built for power, towing, and the ability to pull things. So the fact that it's a little bit faster probably isn't as important as the fact that it may lose some of that low-end grunt. That being said, the HEMI, as you guys probably know, is a freaking power horse of an engine, and losing some of that low-end grunt probably isn't the end of the world. But I just thought those were two cool clips, and I kind of wanted to make a video about that. Anyways, guys, as always, if you like the video, don't forget that thumbs up. I'm freaking loving the muffler delete pipe on this truck. It freaking turns heads. I see necks snapping as I drive by. It's awesome. And if you like cool stuff like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you guys on board. Anyways, enough of me. We'll see you in the next freaking video.